Oh my! Look at these colorful surprise eggs. Let's see what's inside them. Red egg. What's inside the red egg?
3 red balloons.
We are the 3 red balloons, the 3 red balloons, the 3 red balloons. We are the 2 red balloons, the 2 red balloons. We are.
Green egg. What's inside the green egg?
Who are you?
It's me, Mort, and I just want to say, Mort. I like to say my name.
Purple egg. What's inside the purple egg?
It's a purple chicken.
That's one silly purple chicken.
Yellow egg. I wonder what's inside the yellow egg.
It's a happy face.
Oh no.
I am a happy face, happy face, happy face. I am a happy face, happy, 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 happy face.
Glad that's over.
Happy.
Orange egg. What's inside the orange egg?
It's an orange.
Hey, have you ever seen the annoying orange on YouTube? He was really annoying, let me tell you. I mean, really annoying. But me, nope, not annoying. Nope, That's why I'm calling myself the likable orange. Yeah.
Blue egg. What's inside the blue egg?
Who are you?
I am blue.
Is that really true?
Being blue is what I do. Yahoo!
Pink egg. What's inside the pink egg?
It's a flamingo. What are you doing, flamingo?
Standing.
Why are you standing on one leg?
Good question. You should ask your mom or dad to take you to the library to look up the flamingo. I love it when people read about me. Me. Perhaps then you will gain some insight into the standing on one leg enigma.
That's one silly purple chicken. Something strange is going on here.